We are today in Vũng Tàu, in Vietnam, at VNH base, the oil and gas base in South Vietnam. We will have 2 days of demos. This first day will be dedicated to VNH customers with an official ceremony, and then we will have some flight evaluation by the pilots of VNH. Let's listen to customers.
Helicopter size is very comfortable for the oil rig and the platform. And I hope in the future this Vietnam helicopter will have the EC175 for the oil and gas customer in the future.
And for JVC at the current time, it is very suitable to our operation offshore activities at the current time. And I hope that for maybe for other oil and gas operators in Vietnam also the same idea. The safety side and the efficiency of the operations and everything that we see excellent. Thank you.
Before takeoff, we refueling full, and with the maximum takeoff about 7,500 kg. And I'm very happy about the performance of this aircraft because I can normal takeoff, and especially I can make helipad takeoff. I hover at 20 feet, and when I come back, I hover at 500 feet, and I see the power still very well, and I am very happy about that. I do the cruising with the maximum cruising speed, MCP, and I feel really very comfortable and not so much vibration. And the last one I felt is autopilot. When we turn left, turn right, reduce speed, and we can do a lot of function. I think this aircraft, if for offshore operation, I think one of the best aircraft in the world.
The 175 aircraft has a very excellent AP autopilot system. So with the autopilot, the aircraft control power is very good. In any case, I like this type, large cockpit, and nothing in the hand, and all thing in the pedestrian, and everything is okay. And I feel aircraft is easy to control, and everything is okay. I like it. I like it. If I have the money, I'll buy it.